So it's official now. We have an address here. We are at the post office, as you can see here, in Virgin Islands, Gallons Bay, and it's official. We have a PO box now. Let me see here. Okay. It's right here. We're gonna try it. It's a considerably big one. Let's see if it works before I even do anything. Oh, it does not actually. Well, seems to be this one, but it's not. For some reason, not working. I need to check inside, but well, it's official. It seems that they got the wrong key. Now I'm gonna try my key again. I will not show the number, so I will show just if it opens or not. It does. Yes. Perfect. Well, it's a little bit tight, but the key, I mean. But it works, guys. Yes, we have an official PO box. We have a PO box and address. Indeed, here in St. Croix, USVI, Virgin Islands, we do exist. That's awesome. And that's Gallons Bay. It's awesome here. That's the post office. People are really kind, really polite. You see, post office here. And I will show you also Gallons Bay Hardware and Garden. Fantastic store. They have everything. They have even better things than Home Depot. Amazing. And it's beautiful area. I love it. We're official in St. Croix, my friend.